Hello everyone, welcome to Any Signature. Welcome to another online tutorial. If you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe, share and like the video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for checking in again. In today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this simple turban. The design is divided into two major parts: the turban, then the other part on top that serves as the design to the turban itself. So let's get started. These are the materials we'll be needing for today's turban. I have my material here. I have a shining fabric here. You can make use of any fabric, scuba, velvet, anything of your choice, you can make use of it. Then I have this crinoline here. I have needle, I have thread, I have scissors, and I have tape rule. You can also check for your chalk and also pin. I have a pin here to use and chalk. So let's get started to the turban. Okay, for our turban, we have the band. This is the band to be 4.5 inches by 23 inches. It is a round turban cap, so we have it to be 4.5 inches. The length is 4.5 by 23 inches as the width. So if I fold it, I'll be folding it this way. Then for the body, I have this. I have the length to be 12 inches by 23 inches. The 23 inches is across the more stretchy part of the fabric. Then for the design on top, I have my fabric this way. I have this in 2 pieces. I cut this out in 2 pieces. I cut this out in 2 pieces. This is for the down part bow. So 5.5 inches. I have a 5.5 inches by 22 inches. This 5.5 inches by 22 inches, I cut it in 2 pieces. Then the last one I have here is 5.5 inches by 32 inches. 5.5 inches by 32 inches. As you progresses, you will get to understand every part that they belong to. Also, by the time I want to cut my crinoline, for this one, I'll be cutting the crinoline. The wideness is 2 inches. That is the crinoline I'm using. Then I'll be cutting the length. This is 32. I'll be cutting the length to be 31 inches. The crinoline here is 2 inches. So I'll be cutting the length to be 31 inches for this. Then for the second part, this one that I cut in 2 pieces, I'll be cutting the crinoline to be 21 inches each. So this one have 21 inches, this one will have 21 inches for the crinoline. So that is the way I'll be cutting it. So this is my crinoline. I have this. This is my crinoline. I have this in 2 pieces. This is 21 inches each. 21 inches each. Then I have this also for the other one. I have this one in 31 inches. 31 inches for the length. 31 inches for the length. This is the band. I have the band this way. After folding it this way, folding the wrong side inside, this is the right side inside, I'll pick the body of the turban. Then I'll place it this way. I'll make sure that the right side is also facing the right side of the turban this way. Then I'll place well and hold down with pin. Then the next thing I will do is I will go over to the machine and stitch from one end to the last end, and then I'll come back and show you. So I have it this way. After stitching, the next thing I'll do is I'll fold it into 2, just this way. I'll fold into 2 this way. Then I will sew. I'll fold into 2 this way. Then I'll sew from one end here through to the other end. Then from this point here, I'll sew also to this point. I'm done stitching from here to this point, then to this point. So the next thing I will do is that I will run loose stitch all through from this point down to this point. I will stop here. I will not finish it to the end there. I will stop here before I'll stop where the joining of the band and the body of the turban meets, which is this place. So I will set it aside. This is the turban cap. I will set this aside. I'll pick this one, then I will fold the right side inside this way, making the wrong side to be out. This is the right side, so I'll fold it inside, then I will stitch from one end to the other end here. That is the way I will do for this. I will do for this one, then I will do for the third one. I will fold them this way, then stitch from one end to another for the three of them. So I am done with the stitching, and the next thing I'll do is I will turn the three of them inside out this way. I'll turn them out, bringing the right side back. Then I will insert this into them. I will insert this into them just this way. So I have finished inserting. For the two that I cut of the same size, I'll pick it this way. Then this is what I'll do. I'll make sure that this my line falls to the back. It falls to the back. Then I'll pick this and fold it into two this way. Then I will stitch this place. I'll stitch this place. I'll do that for this, so that by the time I'm turning this way. So I'll just stitch. Then I'll also do the same. Make sure that my line is at the back. I'll make this the back while I make this the front. So I'll fold it this way, then I will stitch here. So after stitching here, I have it this way. I'll just turn like this. I'll turn it this way also. Then I'll pick it at the center this way. Make sure I get the center. Then I'll also pick it at the center this way and place it on top of each other like this. I'll take this, then I'll put it just at the center this way. Then I'll take my needle and thread and tack it. So I have it this way. The next thing I will do is I'll set this one aside and pick this other one. Then I'll just start a running stitch from one end to the last end by the side. I'll start a running stitch from one end to the other end. So after running the stitches, all you need to do is to just form the dough anyhow you want it. You can just form it big this way, then you tack, form it very well, hold it down, you tack with your needle and thread this way. Or if you want it a bit small, you form just this way, then hold down and you tack anyhow you want it. All you need to do is just to pull, then form to your desired size and shape, then you tack it down. So I have it this way. This is where I want the flower to be. I will just place on top of each other this way and tack down. I'll just tack it down like that, or you can also use your hot glue to gum it to each other, but I prefer to tack it down, even if I'll be gluing with hot glue, so that it can hold firmly. So I have finished tacking it to each other this way. So I place the cap on my dummy head to know where I want to tack it to, and I have chalked it right here. This is where I want to tack it to, by the side. So all I will do is I will just place this, then I will tack with the cap, or you can use your gum to finish the work. But I'm going to be tacking to secure it properly. Our beautiful turban is ready. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe button, like and share this video. Can you see how beautiful it is? Can you see? Thank you for watching to the end. I will see you in the next tutorial.